naging ganun?
Ba't naging ganun?
May ganun. Nakakauhaw kasi.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, the R&B and the Side Street Band. Grabe, kahit mainit ang panahon, nag-iinit pa rin ang performance nila ngayong gabi. Let's give them a big, big round of applause, everyone. Indeed, grabe na ang lahat. Okay, so please get ready to all of our kusineros. Ayan, nagitinagluto. Nagitinagkuskus. And lahat ng mga grupo ng mga boys dyan. At naglaslas ng bagis. Tama ba? O, ayan. They are the one who prepared the foods earlier. Dagiti na imas nga igado. Ayan, ang hindi makakalimutang igado ng San Julian. Agree ba kayo dyan, madlang people? Naman, di ba? I think for about a month, nakatikim na naman tayo ng igado. Ayan, and I'm very happy kasi finally nakatikim ulit ako ng igado. Ayan. So again, ladies and gentlemen, while they are having their water break, ayan, maraming salamat po to all of the guests and other visitors who are still here joining with us in the celebration of Savannah Alia's christening. Ayan. So they will just have a water break for a moment. Kasi mainit po ang panahon. Let's be considerate. Para naman mamaya-maya po ay makapagbibigay na naman sila ng mga magagandang musika para sa ating lahat. Ayan. So, gayon din sa atin, let's have a water break. Let's keep ourselves hydrated para po marami pa rin tayong energy na ilalabas dito sa ating dance floor. Ayan. So, sa lahat po ng gustong mag-avail at gustong makarinig ng mga magagandang musika para sa kanilang iba't ibang occasion, just visit R&B and the Side Street Band on their social media page. Ayan. And of course, sa lahat po ng gustong magpa-decorate in all occasions, just visit me on Facebook. That's LJ Abukay, ELJAY, ABUCAY. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Guys, marami pa bang energy? Ay, grabe talaga yung mga taga San Julian. Ibang-iba talaga ang San Julian. I really agree na lahat ng mga taga San Julian ay bibong-bibo sa sayawan, bibong-bibo sa lahat ng aspeto. Ayan. So let's keep that energy, let's keep that happiness, and let's keep the joyfulness ngayong gabi. So let's always wear our beautiful smile ngayong gabi. Because we deserve to enjoy, we deserve to be happy this night. Ayan. Ayan po. Diba? Bumubuhos pa rin ang mga magagandang musika ng R&B and the Side Street Band. If I'm not mistaken, for a very long time, sila yung kauna-unahang tumugtog dito sa San Julian in our fiesta celebration. Ayan. And up to this moment, grabe, they become older, pero ang boses nila hindi kailanman nagiging old. And that is what makes R&B. Do you agree with me, guys? Of course, di ba? Many of us. Ayan, so yung mga request po natin, ayan, iisa-isahin po natin mamaya po. Kasi they are having their water break, their health break this time. Huh? Do we have a guest singer from our visitors? Sa lahat po ng gustong mag-guest singer dito sa R&B, it's your time to shine. Okay. So we have a guest singer all the way from somewhere. Ayan, let's have on the floor Sir Roque Labhata. Ayan. All the way from Bulacan. Sir Roque, it's your time to shine. Ayan, madami kang supporter dyan grabe. Sana all madaming supporter. Ako kahit isa lang, enough na, eme. Ayan, once again, ladies and gentlemen, while waiting for the R&B and the Side Street Band, let's give on the floor our guest singer for tonight, Sir Roque Labhata.
Budot. Hindi ko kaya.
Kaya.
Masakit yung lalamunan.
Kaya yan. Ayan, so ano yung kinakanta niya? Cha-cha? Berehe. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our first guest singer, Sir Roque.
Ano yung nag-request nun?
Ang mga bisita po, hindi ako. Ayan, bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan sa ating ikalawang guest singer.
Mamaya na.
Hindi, ngayon na kasi they are having their water break. Come on. Ayan, of course. Diba? And everyone. Berehe. Tama ba? Birahe. Sorry. Ayan. So lahat po ng nag-request sa ating guest singer, kailangan ko pong makita yung mga pagmumukha nyo dito sa dance floor. Ayan, of course. Diba? For sure, madami na tayong naipon na energy kasi nakapagpahinga na tayo for a moment. And ayan, get ready po yung mga kusinero na nagkuskus at nag-prepare ng mga masasarap na pagkain kanina. Right after our guest singer, kayo na po ang susunod dito sa ating dance floor. Thank you.
Hello. Oh. Hindi ko alam to. Bahala kayo. Kaupay mo sumayaw, kayo ba'y sa amin lawa? Labi ko na talibong, may pakilo-kilo kapagat, pitik sa aking mga sikit, tayo sa aking mga kamot, labi na akong tatya ang tuka, itaming ikagat. Kaupay mo sumayaw, kayo ba'y sa ilawas? Labi ko na talibo, may pakilo-kilo kapagat, pitik sa aking mga sikit, labi sa aking mga kamot, labi na akong tatyang tukar, itaming ikagat. Mayaong palingilingi, mayaong pauri-uroy, may pagad palian-lian, kapatuwa-tuwa. Halapi kahibiray, tsatsari, kay bangin na buwas, warara kumintini, sari-sari gabuot, ibugusi, ay inaganang bunga buong sinsini. Halapi kahibiray, tsatsari, ikay mo na bubot nga tuda-tuday, kay basi ka nahanap pa disco permit, sumayo sa swerte. Thank you po. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alin yun? Alin daw yun? Birahe? Iba naman. Iba. Di ko alam eh. Ano bang...
There you have it, ang ating pong ikalawang guest singer ngayong gabi, I should say. Thank you so much po sa Bira Hepis. Okay, this time, let's call him back again on the floor. Our R&B and the Side Street Band. Request po si Sir Ems. So, di ba? Emspiration ba? Ayan. Grabe talaga. Oh, kapag daw kakanta si Sir Ems, kailangan daw may kukunin dito. Dito daw. Tinuro dito. Ayan. Audience lang ba? O, Sir Ems, audience lang daw sila. Pwede naman. Ayan po, pagkatapos po ni Sir Ems, ready na po sa mga kusinero natin dyan. Okay. Yan. Ang dami na nating request. Okay. Isa-isahin po natin yan mamaya-maya po. Thank you. And let's give on the floor a big hand to Sir M.
A song from Bon Jovi para sa inyo pong lahat. Maaari niyo po itong sayawin. It's hard for me to say the things I want to say sometimes. There's no one here but you and me, and that broken old street lights. Lock the doors, leave the world outside. 'Cause all I've got to give to you are these 5 words tonight. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for parting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. And never knew I had a dream until that dream was you. When I look into your eyes, the sky is different blue. Cross my heart, I wear the skies. If I try, you make believe that you believe my lies. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for parting my lips That song is dedicated sa inyo pong lahat. Thank you so much. A song from Bon Jovi. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Eds. Once again, let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. This time, ladies and gentlemen, I know the Cusineros are now ready. So this piece is to be led by yours.
Anong
Ayan.
piyesa ng kusinero, sir?
Ayan, yung mga kusinero po, ano daw po yung kakantahin? Request song po sa mga kusinero natin dyan. Kasi kayo na po yung susunod.
Oh, balse daw, balse.
O, balse.
O, yung request na
Ayan.
nila ng biyag ti Hawaii. Or biyag,
Ayan po,
biyag
sa lahat po ng kusineros, nagiti nagkuskus, kada nagisagana timakan, the floor is yours. Kasi nag-aabang na ang iyong Bitor. Ayan. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our Cusineros with their balse dance. Ayan. And po, this is yours. So dapat sayo na po tayo. Thank you.
Nariga, natuok, biyag iti Hawaii. Trabaho, akan kanayon. May kabayan at surat, tumawa. Ibaga na, kaya't naagata. Agriin ka, mangrik na ka, kabagyan. Surusuruin. Saksakutin ng tulad mo. Tapno, ramang ay biyag mo. Di talaan mo. Riga at trabaho. Di payente ka. Makut-kut pinabuto. Inalala. Ang ramang pa'y Domingo. Rig-rig at pinapalalo. Dito'y Hawaii kapsat ko. Nariga, natuok, biyag iti Hawaii. Trabaho, akan kanayon. May kabagyan at surat, tumawa. Ibaga na, kaya't naagata. Agriin ka, mangrik na ka, kabagyan. Surusuruin, tiyak trabaho. Dito'y haway kamsat ko. Ririgamit na palalo. Dito'y haway kamsat ko. Sipit'y di damdamo na ikaw masirpa. Isko malatay dalaya, manangang sentanya. Basta ginaw biyak ko, mantay kaya riga. Nulikang mabunos, mantay pagkumpala. Manaloy ka pintas mo, naiinom ng tempunay. Pumanaya sa likwam, wadong di patay. Kaya't kaitan, kakasat sa diwang par. Yan tangay at tuya, maagtarigagan. Sigod pa'y di damdamo na ikaw masirpa. Basta malatay dalaya, manangang sentanya. Basta ginaw yak mo, mantay kaya riga. Lumikang mabunos, mantay pagkumpala. Manaloy ka pintas mo, naiinom ang tempunay. Pumanaya sa likwam, dudumdeng di patay. Kaya't kaitan, kakasat sa diwang par. Yan tangay at tuya, maagtarigagan. Manaloy ka pintas mo, naiinom ang tempunay. Pumanaya sa likwam, dudumdeng di patay. Kaya't kaitan, kakasat sa diwang par. Yan tangay at tuya, maagtarigagan. Yan tangay at tuya, maagtarigagan.
Ayan, grabe talaga yung mga kusinero natin. Ang daming energy ang mga taga San Julian. Ayan. So we have a request.
Request man, balangkanti sa babae.
Balangkantes.
And we have a request. Balangkantis a babae. Sino yung mga who are these members?
Sino kaya yung balangkantes? Sino kaya?
Sino ba dito? Ayan, may pa-name drop si Devon daw. Ayan, so ladies and gentlemen, the R&B band and the Side Street Band with their Balangkantis a babae. Paglangan nun, takwan ako. Ayan, a big hand to the R&B and the Side Street Band.
Balangkantis a lalaki. Kala niyo.
Mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng debate yan, ma'am. Dance for all, everyone.
sakyo adwa si Teten ngel ka ito'y siket na lalaos rurut kuken gura iti nakita naging nangako kay tinairot naging naging tinapaot ipagarok kong saklat ay ayaten balang kantis kaawa ng takne balang kantis kaababae di mamanek may sa alalaki luwagayan ka doble doble di unay si katay na sexy balang kantis kaanapeklan sarang pitik ka namin pinsan atot lalaki ngayon kailaw-lawan balang kantis kakaungga anya ka titisap sa bulan tatot al-alilawem adot ka lag-lag-lagin tapos sumawa ng natin palang kantis ka na agayan di kakit di kumaakurat palang kantis ka babae di marmanak may sa lalaki luwagayan ka doble-doble di unay si katay na sexy palang kantis ka anapeklan sarang pitik ka namin pinsan adot lalaki ngin kailaw-lawan balang kantis kakaungga balang kantis ka babae di marmanak may sa lalaki luwagayan ka doble-doble di unay si katay na sexy balang kantis ka anapeklan sarang pitik ka namin pinsan adot lalaki ngin kailaw-lawan balang kantis kakaungga adot lalaki ngin kailaw-lawan balang kantis kakaungga wow wow
Ay, nabitin sila. Gusto niyo ba?
Nabitin? Sige, walang aalis.
O, one-way ticket daw po.
One-way ticket.
One-way ticket to happiness. Ganon.
Thank you so much po.
Ay,
You know,
Ay, grabe!
talagang namang nakakaganang tumugtog pag ganyan.
Yun pala yung hinihintay para mapuno yung butas. Balangkantis a babae.
Oo, baka kalawangin kasi yung mga butas dyan eh.
Grabe! Diyos ko, makapaibos ti energy na ito yung Ana. Ayan, so tuloy-tuloy lang po ang kasiyahan. Paalala lang po, sa lahat po ng sumasayaw, huwag po natin masyadong dikitan para kitang-kita ang kagandahan ng R&B band. Ayan. Ayan, mga kusinero, may mga energy pa ba? Diyos ko, grabe, ang wild. There you have it. So let's groove tonight, everyone! Woo!
To a train.
Let me be your Romeo, you're a wonder boy, and you're super champ. Let me take you to the Milky Way on a holiday, on a holiday. Follow me, follow. Why don't you follow me? Why don't you follow me? Just come away, simply kiss me and say, hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me your love, oh your love. Hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me oh your love, oh your love. Hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above you. I can hear your music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, not 3 times silly you want me. Twice on your back, if the answer is no. All my sweetness means you'll meet me at a hallway. Ooh, twice on the times means you ain't gonna show. If you look out the window tonight, holding the string with a note that's attached to my heart. Read how many times I saw you, how in my sight adore you, and only in my dreams did that wall between us come apart. Oh my darling, and 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you'll meet me at a hallway. Oh, twice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. Ooh, I can hear your music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I future is bright. The gypsies told me so last night. Such a song our children play in the sunshine. And there was you and I in a house, baby, no lie. And all these things were yours and mine. Oh, my Candida, we could make it together. The farther from here, girl, the better. Where the air is fresh and clean. Oh, my Candida, just take my hand and I'll lead ya. I promise life will be sweeter. And it said so in my dreams. And there was you and I in a house, baby, no lie. And all these things were yours and mine. Oh, my Candida, we could make it together. The farther from here, girl, the better. Where the air is fresh and clean. Oh, my Candida, just take my hand and I'll lead ya. I promise life will be sweeter. And it said so in my dreams. Oh, my Candida, we could make it together. The farther from here, girl, the better. Where the air is fresh and clean. Oh, my Candida, just take my hand and I'll lead ya. I promise life will be sweeter. And it said so in my dreams.
He was on Babylon, where we sat down. Yeah, we were. When we remember
sugar. You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I love you more than I can say. I love you twice as much tomorrow. Whoa, I love you more than I can say. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I miss you every single day. Why must my life be filled with sorrow? Oh, I love you more than I can say. Don't you know I need you so? Tell me please, I got to know. Do you need to make me cry? Am I just another guy? Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I love you more than I can say. I love you twice as much tomorrow. Oh, I love you more than I can say. Don't you know I need you so? Tell me please, I got to know. Do you need to make me cry? Am I just another guy? Whoa, yeah, yeah. I love you more than I can say. I love you twice as much tomorrow. Oh, I love you more than I can say. Okay.
Huwag niyong sabing nabitin pa kayo. Ay.
Yan, let's have some water break para
Yes.
mamaya-maya yung mga last minute nila ay ibubuhos na natin yung bonggang energy. Whew! Hapay nga tadad madi makabangon no biga apo. And so meron po tayong request mamaya po pag nakapag-water break na tayo, Cha-Cha daw by Rowena. All the way from Alay.